ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
So I thought I will do a bit of, not the management class, as he said, a spiritual class. Swami has given us a lot of spiritual activities. We do Nagar Sankirtan, we do Japa, we do bhajans, we read books, we listen to satsang, we listen to Swami's discourse, we do a lot of spiritual activities. May I know why we do all this? Not to help others, but to bring change in us. Not to bring change in others, but to glorify us. Not to inculcate faith in us, but strengthen our faith. So these are all the things that God wants you to do. And he lived 85 years as an example, and he has given umpty number of opportunities and ideas for us to emulate and follow and make our life sanctified. For us, every time when we meet each other, we always say, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Always we say Sai Ram, Sai Ram. It is only Sai family says Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Anywhere you see, bus stand, railway station, anywhere, Sai Ram. First comes Sai Ram, then only comes everything. To that extent, that Sai Ram has become part and parcel of our system. How far you are spiritual? Have your own test. If I drop something down, I'll say, Ayyo, I dropped. So we make all noise or all wrong words, which we are not supposed to use. But when you slip your pen, your book, your cell phone, and when it falls down, you see what comes spontaneously from your lips. And if you happen to say, Sai Ram, you have passed your entrance exam. You say something else, you are yet to face exams. So this is how you yourself, how much of Sai is in you, how much of spirituality is in you, how much of Baba is in you, how much of faith of Swami is in you, how much you are in Swami can be assessed. Others should not say. You yourself can gauge, guess, assess, assert yourself, yes, I am on the right spot. Because where, when, how we will live, we do not know. How you live is not important. How you leave this body is very important. When you leave, you must, on the lips, leave the words Sai Ram. Not necessarily Sai Ram. Swami says, any chosen name of God, it can be Allah, it can be Rama, it can be Jesus, it can be Krishna, whichever God you are favorite God, think of him, because in times of need, when this happens to you, even without your knowledge, the God stands next to you to protect you. This is what happens for Draupadi. That is what happened for Draupadi. Their husbands and all the people, nobody could do anything. When she said, Krishna, Krishna, Hridaya Nivasi, then even Krishna thought for a while, how can I save this lady? Even God needs to think when you pray for help, I want to help this guy, but what he did to give that as Akshaya. So little finger of Krishna got cut. And when the blood was oozing, everybody ran here and there to get the first aid kit. But Draupadi tore her new saree and tied as a bandage. Krishna thought for a second, let that small piece of cloth be Akshaya. And that saved the honor of that beautiful soul, Draupadi. So even if we want God to help you, save you, protect you, we have to give opportunity for God. And that is what our God has training us in all fields. Do service, do service, do service. Something or other in our life, if we do, it is for ourselves, it is for our good, it is for our evolution, it is for our parivartana, it is for our own spiritual sadhana. So this is what God wants us to do. So therefore, whenever Swami was there, all the devotees used to feel like Bluetooth. Bluetooth will work only if the instruments are very close. And if you go far away, Bluetooth won't work. It will hunt for new device, or new faith, or new God, or new scenario. That is the problem of Bluetooth. But even technology has changed. Why not we change? Technology has gone to Wi-Fi. That is a hi-fi now. And now, Sai's love is not Bluetooth. Sai's love is Wi-Fi. It is not internet, it is internet. You bring him into your modem. You bring him into your soul. Let be part of you. Let Sai be part of you. Then you can illuminate. There is no difference between you and God. Today, before we disperse, today's takeaway from Dharma Kshetra on 20th December. What you can take today from Babaji is think God all the time and thank God every time. Think God, all the guidance that He will give you. Take Him, consider Him as Guru. He has given so much of information and knowledge. Accept Him as Guru. Take Him as God, think Him as God, and He is there in you, around you, above you, always protecting. If only you take this home, think God all the time and thank God every time, because if we are today, we have to thank God. As I told you, we have been blessed. All the souls sitting here are blessed souls. That Babaji decided that you should be here and you should spend time thinking about Him. It's also one sadhana, a spiritual sadhana. I pray Swami that Swami should profusely bless each and every one of you. And I hope I've done some justice and I carried you back to Prashanti Nilayam, and I hope you enjoyed the beautiful moments that I lived and learned with Babaji. I think you also would have enjoyed that. So therefore, before we go that, just a small clipping.
Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. My life is my message, expansion is my life. My mind is my message, expansion is my life. My life is my message, expansion is my life. My life is my message, expansion is my life. No reason for love, no reason for love, no birth, no death. Prema, Satya, Ananda, Shanti, Dharma, Ananda. Shirdi Sai, Prati Baba, Jai Jai. Shirdi Sai, Prati Sai, Prem Sai, Jai Jai. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, passion is my life. My life is my message, passion is my life. No reason for love, no reason for love, no bad, no death. No reason for love, no reason for love, no bad, no death. Love is my form, truth is my breath, peace is my food.
Swami said, my life is my message. He lived 85 years. He has done so much for the common man, for all humanity. He has given us, he has written books, given hundreds of discourses. He has touched millions of hearts, including you and me. I think it is time now. Let our life is your message. Change our life. And our life should be his message. I think we can definitely do that. And that is a gratitude that we can show to our dear Lord.
My form, truth is my breath,